Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In this today tutorial, we'll see how to install Nginx in your environment. In today's video, we'll see how to create a Docker container of an Nginx and how to host a website over there. So the people who is not aware what exactly the Nginx is an Apache-based web server that you can use for hosting a website. The image that we are planning to use is from the Linux server.io. This is the Docker Compose file. I just tweak a bit based upon my requirement. So let me just open up the Visual Studio Code. So as you can see here, this is the image that it is taking. This is the container name. This is the PGID, UGID, and this is the time zone. Later in the video, I will tell you how to have the UID and the GID for your environment. This is just a volume where my all the configuration of the Nginx will be stored. These are the port that I'm planning to open it. I set the restart policy as unless stop. I created a lab network for all my container stuff, and this is how I define it. So let's see. So first of all, let's see how to get the PUID and GID. So this command will work on your Linux and Mac. You just need to type ID and it will give you all the detail. Now you have your PID and GID. The another thing that we need to check whether our lab network is there or not. How to verify that? We need to run a command docker network ls. So as you can see here, I have a network name, lab network is there in my environment. Let's just compose this file. Let's just run this file. So this file is present in my Docker image directory. If I do ls-la, so here you can find that I have an image called nginx.yaml. Let run this command. Let run this file. So how to run that? Docker compose the file name that is nginx, the parameter up-d. So once we run that, we can see our nginx container is running. How to verify that? We'll run ps-a grep-i nginx. Okay, believe it nginx. So we can see we have a container running over there. If you want to see, you can just simply run a, oh my bad, it should be docker ps-a. So you can see our nginx container is running. Now let's see how to access it. We'll open the Orbstack. As you know, for most of the test video, I use Orbstack. So this is our container. How to access that? You just need to click on the link, and this is our the demo test site. So this is how you can use the Nginx, and this is how you can deploy Nginx using the Docker Compose file. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to assist you with. I will make sure I will add this Docker Compose file in the description so that you can refer later on. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till that time, peace.